Create together faster with Enklu. The all-in-one platform for mixed reality. Log in, scan your environment, create interactive holograms, and position them in the real world faster. Collaborate remotely and sync assets in real time. Enklu features live editing, drag-and-drop scripting, an automated asset pipeline, as well as an extendable user interface to customize the way your team creates. Enklu is fully integrated into Unity, the Internet of Things, supports CAD, 3D scans, and works with Connect devices. To try Enklu for 30 days free, visit enklu.com.